These are the 10 questions you need to ask your roofer before you purchase a new roof. A new roof can cost you anywhere from $10, $15, $20, even $30,000 and above, depending on how big your house is. So what we're gonna run through is the 10 most important questions you should be asking your roofer if they don't address them already. Question number 1, do I actually need a roof or should I just get a repair? Chances are if your roof is above 20 years old, it's probably time for a new roof, unless the leak is in a minor place and you can have the roofer repair it for a small charge. But oftentimes, in order to do that right, you need to replace that whole section of roofing. Because when you're ripping up shingles, most of the time you're ripping up old shingles and they're gonna become damaged, and that's no good for your roof. Do you have moss growth on your roof? Are the shingles curling? Are you finding granules at the bottom of your gutter downspouts? Are you finding shingles on the ground? Those are some things that you should recognize making the decision to see if you need a new roof or not. One thing you want to avoid is having a roofing contractor come, introduce themselves for 10 minutes, write you a quote on a piece of paper and say you need a roof. That's a red flag. Question number 2. How much should a roof cost? Well, that totally depends. How big is your roof? The square footage? How much plywood is gonna need to be replaced? Does it have a steep pitch where the roofers aren't able to walk on it? Location of dumpsters, for ease of work. There's so much that goes into a roof quote where if you have 3 quotes and one of them is significantly cheaper or more expensive than the others, you probably need to find out why that is. At 10 Point Roofing, everything is fully transparent. We'll answer every single question you have towards the roof replacement. So to answer your question on how much a roof should cost, it really depends on a lot of factors. And that's why it's important to get a contractor that's gonna answer the questions. Question number 3, how long does a roof replacement take? Well, 95% of our jobs take 1 day to complete. We have a larger team that's able to knock out a roof replacement in 1 day. Removal, installation, everything in general, inspection after the job's done. It totally depends. How big is the crew that's working on the roof? These are all questions that you should be asking your contractor. How long is it gonna take? What are the expectations after the install? Question number 4, what happens if bad plywood is found during the tear off? What's gonna happen is your contractor should tell you how many sheets of plywood are included within the proposal. In my proposals, we include 3 sheets of plywood in your estimate. So what you wanna do is you wanna ask your contractor how much each plywood sheet is additional toward the quote. That is gonna come in the form of a change order. Now, some contractors charge $80 per sheet of plywood, and some contractors charge $150 per sheet of plywood for that same plywood. So it's important that you understand exactly how much that contractor is charging. Talk to your contractor about documentation. Here at 10 Point Roofing, what we do is we take photos of the entire job. So we're gonna make sure that you understand exactly why each sheet was replaced. Know that we're not just giving you change orders just to give you change orders. Question number 5, what type of shingles are best? Chances are if you're getting a couple quotes for your job, you're gonna have different manufacturers like GAF or Owens Corning, maybe CertainTeed or IKO. Truthfully, they're all quality shingle companies. I partner with GAF because I feel like they have the strongest warranties. I know that they've been in business the longest, and overall, they've given me the best customer service out of any roofing manufacturer in the business. Question number 6, what warranty comes with my roof install? It really all depends. A 50-year warranty on your roof doesn't really matter if the roofer is not going to be around in 5 years. So it's important that you partner, in my opinion, with a certified roofing contractor for whatever shingle manufacturer there is. You want to ask the contractor if they actually register the warranties. And you also want to ask them, is the warranty transferable to the next homeowner? Oftentimes, the warranty is not transferable. You want to understand the difference between workmanship warranty and material warranty. Oftentimes, the material is a lifetime roofing material, and the workmanship is different. Here at 10 Point Roofing, we are master elite contractors through GAF. The way that we were able to become Master Elite is because we are factory trained, we have a great reputation within the community, and we have a great relationship with GAF. We're able to install the Golden Pledge warranty, which is 25 years of full coverage on your roof, workmanship, and material. Question number 7, will a new roof improve my home's value? And the answer is probably, maybe, we don't know. But it does improve curb appeal. It gives buyers confidence that you were able to maintain the rest of the home, especially here in the Pocono Mountains. New buyers pull up to your house, the roof is the first thing that they're gonna look at. Question number 8, can I install my roof in the winter? Yes, but it must be done properly. There's temperature guidelines that need to be in place. Obviously, weather is a huge factor, and safety protocols. So the short answer is you may want to wait until the spring when you have those clear, sunny days with no rain in the forecast. Question number 9, how do I choose the right roofing contractor? And there's a whole list of things that you need to check. Are they licensed? Are they insured? Do they have strong local roots within the community? What do their reviews look like? These are all signs that you need to look at, and many more, to make sure that you choose the right roofing contractor. Because at the end of the day, someone that's not local is probably not going to take care of you. Question number 10, do I need to replace my gutters when I do my roof? Oftentimes it may be convenient for you and the contractor to do both jobs at the same time. This is something that we offer at 10 Point Roofing, but it depends on what size your gutters are. Do you want bigger gutters for your house? Are they dripping? Are the downspouts in the right place? So these are all things you want to consider when you're getting your roof inspected. In closing, buying a roof should not be stressful. It should feel like you're informed. If you're in the Pocono area and want an honest and informed, transparent roofing experience, give us a call at 10 Point Roofing. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, comment about how bad this video might be. It doesn't matter. Any questions that you might have in the future, so that we can grow and then you can help us grow.
10 Point Roofing. Reliable roofing done right.